Are you producing overseas? Are you seeing your manufacturing costs go up? Well, you're not alone. Many brands that are producing in countries like India and China are struggling with the rise in import duty costs and quality issues. So, what options do you have? Have you considered Vietnam? Vietnam is a rising star in the world of manufacturing today. We have a skilled labor force, improving infrastructure, and most important, we have a pro-business government. Hi, my name is Chris. I've been living in Vietnam for 14 years, working as a Vietnam factory tour guide. How did I do it? I moved here, I learned the language, I hired a driver, and then visited factories throughout the country for my clients. And I would like to share those factories with you. My mission is to introduce Vietnamese factories like this one to the world. Consider hiring me and my team to pick you up at your hotel in either Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi and take you out to visit 3 to 5 factories in a day. You will be the star of the show. Get quotes and samples before you seal the production deal of the century. Contact us today to find factories fast and start working with them directly. Avoid working with agents and keep the commission fee for yourself to improve your bottom line.